Welcome back to Grow My Savings. We all start with excitement when we begin a new financial habit, saving, investing, or budgeting. But here's the problem: motivation fades, life gets busy, setbacks happen, and suddenly consistency feels impossible. Today, we're going to tackle how to stay consistent even when motivation disappears so you can reach your financial goals without relying on willpower alone. Motivation is powerful, but it's temporary. It spikes when you're inspired, but dips when life gets in the way. Relying solely on motivation often leads to starting and stopping, which kills progress. The secret to success is building systems and habits that keep you moving forward even when you don't feel like it. Consistency starts with small, realistic action. Instead of trying to save $500 in a month, start with $50. Instead of investing in multiple stocks at once, start with one small position. Break large tasks into bite-sized steps. Small wins keep momentum alive. When tasks feel doable, you're more likely to follow through, even when motivation fades. Automation removes the reliance on motivation entirely. Set up automatic transfers to your savings or investment accounts. Use apps that round up purchases and invest spare change. Schedule recurring payments for bills to avoid financial stress. Automation is like putting your goals on autopilot. Your progress continues even when you're tired, busy, or distracted. Even tiny progress matters. Track your achievements in a journal or app. Celebrate milestones, no matter how small. Reviewing progress keeps your brain motivated even when you don't feel like it. Example: saving $20 this week might seem small, but over months, it compounds into a strong financial habit. Your environment can make consistency easier. Share your goals with a friend, partner, or online community. Remove distractions that make it easier to give up. Surround yourself with reminders of your goals, sticky notes, apps, or vision boards. External accountability plus supportive environment make it much easier to stay on track. So, to recap, motivation is temporary. Build habits and systems. Take small, achievable steps. Automate progress wherever possible. Track and celebrate your wins. Create accountability and a supportive environment. By focusing on consistency instead of motivation, you'll see real results over time. Thanks for watching Grow My Savings. Hit like, subscribe, and share this video if you found it helpful.